Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power and a backup so you can undo mistakes. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and backup photos and app data. Now power off and use the correct key combo for your phone to boot into recovery or safe mode. This prevents the package manager from running. If your device supports safe mode, hold volume down during boot to skip third-party apps. If not, enter recovery to access advanced options and a cache wipe. Once in recovery, or with ADB connected, wipe the Dalvik/ART and system cache to remove leftover optimizing tasks that loop on boot. Next, use a DB shell PM to list and disable offending package names, or through settings force stop and disable recent installers like the package installer or a misbehaving app. Make sure to uninstall updates for Google Play services or the Play Store if they coincide with the issue, because newer updates can trigger endless optimization. You now reboot normally and observe the boot sequence. If optimization still repeats, pay attention to which package name is shown. If a single app keeps reappearing, remove it via a DB uninstall or boot to safe mode and uninstall from settings. If the device still loops, perform a factory reset after confirming backups or reflash stock firmware as a last resort. If things go wrong, capture a DB logcat output during boot to pinpoint the failing package for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.